AI या ह्यूमन ब्रेन आखिर कौन है, ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट? आइए जानते हैं। Today's topic is AI vs human intelligence. Useful for school and college project. Follow this index. Introduction. Artificial intelligence (AI) and human intelligence are both powerful, but they work in different ways. AI is created by humans to perform specific tasks, while human intelligence comes naturally through learning, experience, and emotions. What is artificial intelligence (AI)? Artificial intelligence is the ability of machines or computers to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. AI can analyze data, recognize patterns, answer questions, and make decisions quickly. What is human intelligence? Human intelligence is the natural ability to think, understand, learn, solve problems, and express emotions. Humans can be creative, make ethical decisions, and adapt to new situations. Artificial intelligence (AI) versus human intelligence. Artificial intelligence works using data and algorithms. Human intelligence works using the brain and experience. Second point, artificial intelligence very fast at calculations. Human intelligence slower but more thoughtful. Third point, artificial intelligence has no emotions. Human intelligence has emotions and empathy. Fourth point, artificial intelligence learns from data. Human intelligence learns from life experiences. Fifth point, artificial intelligence available 24/7. Human intelligence needs rest and sleep. Sixth point, artificial intelligence cannot think creatively like humans. Human intelligence highly creative and imaginative. Advantages of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence (AI) offers many advantages in our daily lives. It can perform repetitive tasks quickly and accurately, which saves time and increases productivity. AI reduces human effort by handling routine and complex tasks efficiently. Unlike humans, AI can work continuously without getting tired or needing rest. It is widely used in healthcare, education, and business to improve services, make better decisions, and solve problems faster. Overall, AI helps improve accuracy, efficiency, and convenience in many fields. Advantages of human intelligence. Human intelligence has many unique advantages that machines cannot fully match. Humans can think creatively, solve complex problems, and come up with new ideas. They have emotions, empathy, and the ability to understand other people's feelings. Human intelligence also helps people make moral and ethical decisions based on values and experience. Unlike AI, humans can easily adapt to new situations and learn from real-life experiences. Overall, human intelligence plays an important role in innovation, relationships, and decision-making. Conclusion: AI is a useful technology that makes our lives easier, but it cannot replace human intelligence. Humans have creativity, emotions, values, and critical thinking that machines cannot fully copy. The best future is one where AI and humans work together to improve society. Next video, online learning versus offline learning, which one is better for students? Don't miss it.